Hey everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel, Kids Drawing Magic. Today, we're going to draw some amazing insects step by step. Let's draw an ant. Start by drawing a small circle for the head. Next, draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Perfect! Draw 2 antennae on the head. Now draw a medium-sized circle for the body. Add a larger oval at the back. Now add 6 thin legs. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Perfect! Our ant drawing is complete. Now draw highlights. Let's color it. Color the ant dark brown or red. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Great job! Our ant is ready. Let's draw a beautiful butterfly. Start by drawing a small circle for the head. Next, draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Draw 2 antennae on top. The long oval for the body. Perfect! Now draw large wings on both sides. Add smaller wings below. Draw patterns inside the wings. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Perfect! Now draw highlights. Now let's color it. Use bright colors like blue, yellow, pink, and purple. Wow! What a colorful butterfly! Let's draw a cute caterpillar. Start by drawing 2 tiny antennae. Draw a nice round circle. Draw small legs underneath. Make the first circle slightly bigger for the head. Next, draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Draw small legs underneath. Drawing several connected circles. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now draw highlights. Now let's color it. Color the caterpillar green. Add yellow or light green details. Our caterpillar looks adorable. Let's draw a dragonfly. Draw a nice round circle. Next, draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Now, draw 2 long wings on each side. Make the wings narrow and elegant. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Draw 2 antennae on top. Draw a long, thin body. Now add 6 thin legs. Draw patterns inside the wings. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Great job! Now draw highlights. Now let's color it. Color the body yellow or green. Make the wings light blue. Beautiful! Our dragonfly is flying high. Make it fun! Today we drew and colored lots of fun insects and tiny creatures. Keep practicing your drawing skills and don't forget to use your favorite colors. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with us.